In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to exactly install iPhone lock screen on Android phone. On your Android phone, you have to open a app. You have to install a app. So go to your Play Store and search for iLock lock screen iOS 16, and this is the app we are going to use. So install this lock screen OS 18 app in your Android phone. Once done, just launch the app and select a language. Tap on get started, tap on continue, start, and just cross the ad. And now enable lock screen. Tap on accept, tap on grant permission, and here under notification access just enable lock screen, allow, and again tap on grant permission, allow, tap on grant permission, tap on installed apps, and here tap on lock screen, just enable on, allow, go back to the app again, and now again enable lock screen. And now I'm going to lock my phone and unlocking phone again, and as you can see, I've successfully installed iPhone lock screen. I can easily turn on my phone flashlight by tapping on this icon. As you can see, flashlight turn on, and you can also open camera by tapping on this camera icon directly from your lock screen, and you can also read any notification from here, and that's how you'll be able to unlock your iPhone lock screen. And note one thing, that you can disable your default Android phone lock system. Okay, and to change anything, just hard press on settings and you will be able to customize your lock screen wallpaper from here. So as you can see, you can select a different wallpaper or lock screen, and you'll directly jump into the wallpaper customization page. Here, to change your clock font, select clock, and you will be able to select clock font from here. So go ahead and customize your wallpaper, and that's how we can exactly install iPhone lock screen in our Android phone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.